Hey there, fellow knowledge enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the fascinating realm of memory techniques. We've got 10 powerful methods that will not only supercharge your learning, but also help you absorb information faster and more efficiently than ever before. So, grab your notebooks, and let's dive deep into the world of memory mastery. Our first technique is called chunking, and it's like slicing a big pizza into smaller, more manageable pieces. Example: imagine you're faced with a daunting string of numbers like 5,478,920,618. Instead of grappling with it as a whole, break it into chunks like 5478920618. This simple yet effective strategy makes information easier to remember and process. Step 2 is all about the power of visualization. Our brains have an innate affinity for images over plain text, so why not turn information into mental pictures? Example: if you're learning a new language and encounter the word apple, create a vivid mental image of a succulent red apple. This visual association makes words stick in your memory like never before. Moving on to step 3, we have mind mapping, a fantastic tool for organizing and recalling complex ideas. Example: when tackling a project, create a mind map with the central idea in the center and branches for related concepts. This visual aid enhances memory retention and helps you grasp intricate topics with ease. Step 4 introduces an advanced technique known as the memory palace, a bit like crafting your mental movie theater. Example: visualize a familiar place, such as your own home, and strategically place the items you want to remember in specific locations. As you mentally traverse this space, you'll effortlessly recall the items, a memory marvel. Our fifth technique is the powerful strategy of spaced repetition, a key ingredient for long-term retention. The technique involves adding more time between each exposure to the information to be learned, with less frequent repetition over time, which forces your memory to retain it before the repetitions stop. Example: instead of cramming, review your study material at increasing intervals. This deliberate practice strengthens your memory over time and banishes the dreaded forgetting phenomenon. Step 6 encourages the art of association, connecting new information to what you already know. Example: when delving into history, link historical events to familiar dates or memorable figures. These mental connections transform seemingly abstract facts into lasting memories. Step 7 emphasizes the incredible value of teaching what you learn. Sharing knowledge not only benefits others, but also reinforces your own understanding. Example: after immersing yourself in a topic, take the opportunity to explain it to a friend or create a tutorial. Teaching compels you to solidify your memory and deepen your comprehension. Step 8 introduces the world of mnemonics, memory aids that employ patterns or associations to help you remember information. Example: to recall the order of planets from the sun, use the classic mnemonic, "My very educated mother just served us noodles." Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. It's like having a secret code to unlock your memory vault. Step 9 highlights the importance of active learning, immersing yourself in the material rather than passively absorbing it. Example: when diving into history, consider acting out historical events or engaging in a lively debate about key figures. Active involvement breathes life into the facts and embeds them in your memory. Last but certainly not least, we arrive at Step 10, the use of multi-sensory techniques. Engaging multiple senses enriches memory and coding. Example: when learning a new language, don't limit yourself to reading. Listen to native speakers, practice speaking, and write down new words. The more senses you involve, the stronger and more enduring the memory. There you have it, fellow knowledge seekers. 10 memory techniques to supercharge your learning and unlock the boundless world of knowledge and opportunities. If you found this video enlightening and beneficial to your quest for knowledge, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow learners on their own memory mastery journey. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more mind-expanding content. Thanks for joining us today, and let's keep those brains operating at peak performance.